Set up a free-to-air receiver. If you have a free-to-air receiver that you want to use to watch satellite TV programming, you can do so as long as you have the following materials needed: coaxial cable, video cable, and the free-to-air receiver itself. Your free-to-air satellite can definitely give you the best output from the satellite TV programming that can be received since it has no encryption. Isn't it amazing to get things for free these days? Since the broadcasters of free-to-air channels have their signals beamed without the need of encrypting them, watching their TV programming does not suggest any form of obligation. There are even those satellite receivers that can produce high-definition images. Even if you are not paying anything for their programming, you can make the most out of watching the same quality and crispness of the images. Learning how to set up a free-to-air receiver is an essential part of making the most out of using your device. Consider the following pointers to use your free-to-air receiver properly. Connect the coaxial cable to the satellite dish outdoor. Be sure that the length of your coaxial cable is enough for the distance between your free-to-air satellite receiver and the dish of the satellite outdoor. Run the length of the coaxial cable and connect one of its ends to the LNB coaxial port of the satellite dish. Get the other end and fit it into the SAT-in coaxial port that can be found on the back of the free-to-air receiver. Match the colored heads. You can see that there are different ports on the back of your television. Each port has a different color to indicate the color of the head that must be fit into it. Match the colored heads of the composite video cable to the ports that they match with. Do the same thing with the end of the composite video cable of the receiver. Turn on the receiver and the television. Plug the free-to-air receiver into a power outlet and turn it on by flipping the power switch. Meanwhile, turn the television set on. Get the remote control of the television set and press the menu button. Look at the on-screen selections and choose the one with the Dish 1 label. If you have a different dish previous to this one, choose the option that will make it your default dish. Set it up. Under the satellite heading, choose the satellite that you aligned with regards to the dish from the list. Press OK to confirm. Go to the LNB heading to input the LNB type of your dish as well as the frequency. It is best to select SAT-scan to download the recent list of channels according to the satellite with which your dish is aligned. Exit once you are done. Browse the channels that are included. Enjoy free television at its best without spending a great deal of money.